morning. Actually, it's more day than morning because it's like 12 o'clock. I get a good sleep. We're almost ready to go for a hike onto this mountain because it's 2.5 kilometers the way, so it will be back and forward about 5 kilometers and it could take about 2 hours. So I need to get the change and I will be ready. Let's get change. So I just dressed up properly and going up into this hill. 500 meters left until the top, so it's like 1/5 all the way, but the view is beautiful. I can see the top, but yeah, I need to finish this. As you can see this amazing view behind me. Yeah, so right now is 1 p.m. and 12 minutes, so it took us to get here about 1 hour and 12 minutes, so it was great speed. I didn't expect that, but yeah, we managed to reach the top so fast. Cool. And plan for now is just sit for a little bit and chill. Little chill, because why not when you have this amazing view. Found the mine or something else, I don't know, but I need to check on the Google what is that, because it looks like the mine, because the wood is over here, but I'm not sure. So because of this fence I can get nearby, but yeah, I will check. We are back, as you can see, to the bus. So right now it's 3 p.m. and all hike it took about 2 hours as expected, but because you know everything was so beautiful, the mountains, so on, amazing landscape, so it took about 3 hours, because why not to take a photo or video. So yeah, for now I'm hungry and we will go for a tuka dinner and then we are leaving to our next spot. About the car wash. So in the Norway you can choose one operation, and with one operation you can just wash your car just with the hot water and the soap. Then you can on the same operation take a brush and wash your car. So operation is quite long, so you don't need to pay second operation, but you need second operation to wash your car with the water to remove the soap from the car. Just you wash it. Take the hot water or just simple water and just wash your car only with fresh water to remove every soap what you did with first operation. So yeah, quick tip if you need to wash car in the Norway. So I saw the beautiful walking path, so I thought, why not land the skateboard? Come on, let's do it! Update. So when I'm filming and try to do my self-portrait, I couldn't do myself because it's very slippery and I couldn't get on the rock, but I managed to get a help. So while doing all help thing, while trying to think the water starting getting up, so I put the one leg into water. My leg is wet now, just one leg, so it's okay. I think it was worth it to get one leg wet, get a photo. So we will see what kind of photo I got. So yeah.